Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You know, anything that says that vaccines might have side effects, you basically need to take down. And I was just like, well, we're not going to do that. Like, we're clearly not going to do that. I mean, that is kind of. Did you see that guy?
I thought it was coming after us. I'm like,
no.
This person. Watch out!
Jeez.
I feel like a doctor would notice that and be like,
Absolutely. They can't stop them, though.
No,
And
but-
they can't stop them. Stay there. Are you kidding me? God, who doesn't know how to drive?
And its costs and the cost of capital. It is these costs that we need to compare to rent. Property taxes are pretty easy for most people to grasp. You pay the tax.
Serious?
And there's
Keep right. Stay in the right lane.
Okay, Garmin. Save the video.
So, agarra los huevos and fucking step on it. What the f are you doing?
Tengo llamadas perdidas, mi borra ya varias veces me marcó. Filipinar, me regresó al cantón. Y que la de por perdida no hay pega, aquí tengo a su amigo una voz. Y lo mueve mucho mejor. No te tengas que a mi lado, pero me la paso chingón. Con 4 días empezado.
What is happening? Is that person crazy?
I have no clue.
trap area, but it still disgusted him. Linda had thought to bring an old cassette recorder in the garage. Rusty pushed record. Should have. His hands were sweating. There was probably talcum or John.
Pop rocks. Where songs from the 90s like that pop into songs from the 2000s like this.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.